चलो. So in the first lecture, we understood what is research, what are the features of research, what are the objectives of research. Now in this lecture, we will try to brief or we'll try to understand what are the different types of research, right? You should understand this topic very well because next year in the TYBMS 6th semester, you will also be doing a research. So out of these, which type of research you are interested in doing, you should be able to make out, right? So basically, if you look at the screen now, there are 8 different types, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 8 different types of research which we are going to study as per the syllabus. First is pure, basic or fundamental. Remember these names very carefully because from MCQ point of view, you may be asked a question that pure research is also called as dash. So you should know it is called as basic research, it is called as fundamental research. So first type of research is pure, basic or fundamental. Second is applied. Third is empirical. Fourth is scientific and social. Fifth is historical. Sixth is exploratory. Seventh is descriptive and eighth is causal. Look at the spelling carefully. It is not casual. It is causal. Cause of something. Causal. Okay. Casual is different and causal is different. So please be careful about the word. Okay. So I want someone to quickly read out the different types of research. Quickly. Who will do that? Quickly एकदम. कौन बोलेगा? Karan, will you do that? Karan Shah. Anyone else? Simran. आप करोगे रीड?
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Types of research. Number 1, pure, basic and fundamental research. Number 2, applied research. Number 3, empirical research. Number 4, scientific and social research. Number 5, historical research. Number 6, exploratory research. Number 7, descriptive research. Number 8, causal research.
Very good. Thank you, Mahek. So there are 8 types of research which we are going to study, and Mahek has told us all the names of the 8 types. Now let us see each of them one by one. Let's begin with the first one. First one is basic research. नेम itself will tell you basic. मतलब वो एकदम बेस है वो. जो रिसर्च ऐसा रिसर्च जो प्योर रिसर्च है, done for the sake of doing research. There is no other reason behind that. Just to do research, we are doing research. That is called as basic research, pure research or fundamental research. If you look at that small picture in the corner, top corner में आप देखोगे ना, तो वहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है, मतलब ये जो caveman है, they were just trying to rub two pieces of wood, just like that. उनको कुछ पर्पस नहीं था, बट बाय आफ्टर रबिंग वुड they found कि fire is created, right? So this kind of research which has no purpose, purely to gain information, purely to understand some concept, that is called as fundamental or pure research. It is mainly concerned with generalization and formulation of theories. जैसे मैस्लो थियरी है, वो मैस्लो ने कैसे बनाया, ऐसे रिसर्च कर करके उन्होंने बहुत डेप्थ में उस चीज़ को स्टडी किया, नीड्स को स्टडी किया, एंड देन ही मेड दैट थियरी, राइट? सो दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ बेसिक रिसर्च. इट हेल्प्स टू एक्सपांड मैन्स नॉलेज. इट हैज़ नो कमर्शियल वैल्यू, यानी उसको कुछ बेच के पैसा कमाना ऐसा कुछ माइंड में नहीं है जब भी आप बेसिक रिसर्च करते हो. It lays down foundation for several applied sciences which follow later on, right? Examples of basic research are how did universe begin, what are proton, neutron, electron composed of, understanding consumer buying process. So ये सब ऐसे टाइप का जो रिसर्च है उसको बोलते हैं बेसिक रिसर्च या फंडामेंटल रिसर्च या प्योर रिसर्च. नाउ लेट अस गो टू द सेकेंड वन. ये जो बेसिक रिसर्च आपने किया है उसको आप जब यूज करते हो, यानी यू पुट इट टू प्रैक्टिकल यूज, you apply it somewhere, it is called as applied research. जैसे कोरोना वायरस के बारे में एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए गए लेबोरेटरी में, बहुत उसके ऊपर रिसर्च किया गया, तो वो हो गया बेसिक रिसर्च. बट जब भी वो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट किए उसको यूज़ किया गया कि कोरोना वायरस के लिए वैक्सीन फाइंड करने के लिए, तो दैट बिकम्स अप्लाइड रिसर्च. ओके, so it is a form of systematic inquiry involving the practical application of the science. It aims at finding solution for an immediate problem facing a society or industry or business. किसी भी चीज़ का प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन आप ढूंढने की कोशिश अगर करते हो रिसर्च से, तो उसको बोलते हैं अप्लाइड रिसर्च. Third type is empirical research. Now, what is empirical research? Any research which is based on experience rather than any theory. आपका जो research है वो either you are doing some experiments in the laboratory or you are doing actual, on the field you are doing some experiments. जैसे कि I'll give you an example, like कोई नया आपका drink launch हो रहा है, तो you will just send someone in the mall with that drink. एंड जो कस्टमर्स आते हैं जाते हैं उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा सैम्पल पीने को बोलते हो, फिर उनको ऑब्जर्व करते हो या उनका फीडबैक लेते हो. तो इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है कि नहीं है. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च इज कॉल्ड एज एम्पेरिकल रिसर्च. So it is conducted to test a hypothesis. What is hypothesis? It is an assumption. In detail, we are going to learn about hypothesis a little later. So ये empirical research में क्या क्या होता है? Observation, induction, formulating hypothesis, deduction, testing, evaluation. All of these steps we are going to learn in detail later on. फिर आ गया fourth type. Fourth type of research is scientific and social. जो रिसर्च आप लैब में करते हो, प्रॉपर apparatus, chemicals you are using, so that kind of research is called as scientific research. ऐसा रिसर्च करने के लिए you need a huge capital investment. And what is social research? When you are studying the attitudes of people, behavior of people, beliefs, trends, fashion, क्या चल रहा है, तो that is all coming under social research. And the next type is historical research. Name itself will tell you history. जो हो चुका है उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा फाइंड करने की कोशिश करते हो. यू डू रिसर्च ऑन दैट. जैसे कि व्हाई डिड द मुगल्स एंटर इनटू इंडिया, व्हाट वाज द रीजन. तो हिस्ट्री को आपको स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. दैट काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च इज कॉल्ड एज हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च. देन next is exploratory research. Now what do you mean by exploration? देखो आप भी कभी कभी you are in an adventurous mood, so you will say चलो घूमने जाते हैं, हम कहीं नई जगह पे जाते हैं, let's explore, you say, right? So what is exploring? Trying to find out something new, right? तो यहाँ पे भी exploratory research means you are doing a research where you are trying to find out more about a problem which is not still clearly defined. उसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं है, थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च हुआ होगा बट ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ होगा. So some facts are known, some are not known. So it often relies on secondary research. Secondary research मतलब क्या? किसी और ने कुछ किया है रिसर्च इसके ऊपर. They have published it in some literature. Then you may have discussions with consumers, with employees. And this kind of research has more formal approach where you have in-depth interview, focus group, case study, pilot study. ये सब different ways of doing research है. ये हम लोग को धीरे धीरे एक एक करके methods में आ जाएंगे. Okay. So exploratory research, you just remember, is any research where you are trying to find out something new on which research is not done much. किया हुआ है लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं किया हुआ. Then you come to the next one. Next is descriptive research. Describing something. Suppose I tell you, you write an essay on how you spend your Christmas vacation, right? So आप पूरा आपने क्या क्या किया आप लिखोगे. What did you do at home? How did you celebrate? Did you get a cake or whatever? So you are describing the whole event. That is called as descriptive research. Okay? यहाँ पे it is also called statistical research. Another name, MCQ point of view से important है ये. It describes the data and characteristics about the population or phenomena being studied. For example, if I say how do adolescents spend their time, आपके जो एज ग्रुप के बच्चे हैं 12 to 18, so how do you spend your whole day, what do you do right from morning when you wake up till night you go to sleep, so you are describing something. ये रिसर्च कर रहे हो आप, हर एडोलेसेंट को जाके मिलोगे आपके बिल्डिंग में या आपके एरिया में और पूछोगे, so that is descriptive research. And the last one is causal. Again I will repeat, this is not casual. Casual का spelling क्या होगा? CASUAL. And this is causal. Cause, CAUSAL. This is also called as ex post facto. Another name. MCQ point of view से important है. Ex post facto research. What does it mean? Ex post facto research means operating retroactively. यानी कुछ चीज हो गया है तो वो क्यों हुआ है आप ढूंढने का कोशिश करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे जो दिया है देखो, लंग कैंसर अगर किसी को हुआ है तो क्यों हुआ है वो, यू ट्राई टू फाइंड दैट आउट, फाइंडिंग आउट द कॉज ऑफ समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉजल रिसर्च और एक्स पोस्ट फैक्टो रिसर्च. Another example given over here, how does having a working mother affect child school absenteeism? अगर कोई बच्चा absent रहता है और उसकी मम्मी working है, so you want to find out is there any connection between these two factors, working mother and absenteeism, right? So you are trying to find out the cause of the child's absenteeism. So such research comes under causal research or ex post facto research. Okay. So these are the different types of research. Quickly, what are the different types? 8 types we have studied just now. Pure, basic or fundamental. This is type 1. Type 2, applied. Type 3, empirical. 4, scientific and social. 5, historical. 6, exploratory. 7, descriptive. And 8, causal. Okay. So that is all for today's lecture. We are finished with the different types of research.